How much time do you spend reading the same emails or requests over and over? For most, this is a huge frustration and a big time waste throughout the workday. Even with new tech and automations, a human is still required to understand the content, no matter how simple it may look. When looking for automations for such tasks, it seems like AI is all over the place to help you. But in reality, AI today is only available to 0.01% of the companies and is an expensive endeavor. With Bitskout, everybody can use AI with just a few clicks. Using Bitskout, you can create customizable AI-powered plugins and add them to your tools like Asana or Jira. Bitskout works by taking some examples and using it to automate tasks like extraction of information from files, categorizing emails, and understanding messages. Sign up today to access the incredible AI automations offered by Bitskout. With Bitskout, you too can harness the power of AI.